Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to hide status and navigation bars on your screenshots. So in the first step we have to go to the settings. From there find advanced features, pick screenshots and screen recorder, and as you can see there's an option to hide status and navigation bars. Simply enable it, and from this point on navigation bars and status bars won't be visible on your screenshots anymore, and that's what we wanted. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.